Hey friends, how to hide photos in Google Photos. It's very simple. In Google Photos, select Photo to hide, swipe right, and choose Move to Lock folder. Let's set up it. Use PIN or scan your fingerprint. Then tap Continue. Items in locked folder won't appear in your Photos grid, search, or apps that access your device photos. It's good. Move. Allow photos to modify this photo, allow, and our photo moving to locked folder. To see files in your locked folder, you can select any photo, swipe right, and move it to locked folder too. Tap Move, Allow, moving to locked folder, and then click View. Then open locked folder with PIN code or fingerprint, and we have our photos in locked folder. If you want to move your photo from lock folder, select it and tap Move, and our photo will move out of locked folder. Tap Move once more, return, and our photo was moved from locked folder. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.